So when you've got a broken one of these on a Qashqai, this is how you fix it, right? So you have to get yourself a new one, but this is how it's done. So this one comes off, but you have the two lights there and there. That is your number plate lights, and in the middle is the boot release, okay? So all you do is you just twist those, and then they pop out of the lights. There's two of those, there and there. And then this one, you unclip this, and then you can take that away from the car. Once that's away from the car, you then have this bit left in. You have to unclick it, take this bit out of the old trim, and also take the little lights out of the old trim too. And once you've got it all off, as you can see, this is grubby, but it has just come off. It has these little clips which are accessible. This one's gone totally, and this is the broken bits of plastic off of the old one that they're prone to breaking. Got it off of Amazon, next day delivery, in the right paint colour, £44 with all the clips and all the trim removal tools that you need for the job as well, which is really super handy. So next job, open the boot and get the trim off. So the kit that I bought, which came obviously with the new tailgate bit and all the clips, it also came with these trim removers, which are going to be super handy for future. And all you do is you get up into here, right, and you just, it's very awkward to do whilst I'm holding a camera, change hands. So get into these bits here and then sort of wiggle them down until the clips come off. There's one, and then you just keep going round until you've released this. I can't do it holding a camera, so you just release all the trims from that, and then this will drop out. Okay. There is one screw in the handle. I'm going to have to undo the screw. And it's off. There it is. And we want to get to these little bits up in here. Let's see if we can see. There we go. Underneath we have got these little screws here. Okay, so we need to undo these nuts, and then these bits will pop out the other side, and we just need to replace. What you're going to find is they look like this. So that's from the outside, okay, and this is on the inside. It's sort of a spinny sort of washer attached to a nut, and the same there. And I've had to use, it's 10mm, so if you've still got your 10mm, or you may have lost it, because everybody does, I've actually got a long, deep one, which is what you need, because that's a bit too long for a normal socket. So I think there's 6 of them. I'll whip them out. So the set that I bought also comes with these little monkeys. They just sort of sound deadening, like water resistant foam pads, which go over this here, like that. Boom, 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 before you put it in. All right. Yeah, these little clips, they just slide in from the side or the back, whichever way it's facing. They face different ways. You just slide them in, and then you feed them into the holes that you've got up here already, like that. And basically push that on from the outside, and then put the bolts in. But first, got to put the lights back, so they just click back in to place, like that. But obviously from the other side, because that would be crazy, like that. There you go, clicked. Same again that side, and then put the button through that side too. So here we go, that there clicks there, click. Same with this one, like that. That clicks in there, and that clicks in. And then same with this, here, this bit. So that goes in there. Like that, and then that clicks in there. Like that. Clicky click. Right, push that in from the outside, and we're getting there. So the next job is putting all the bulbs back in. So you get this bulb here, you put it in the hole, and you twist it, twist. And then you get this bulb over here, you put it in the hole, and you twist it, twist. You get this cable here, and this cable, you push them back together, click in. And then you tuck everything behind here and push. Just get the old ones and then rubbers off. And then push this, all these little clips, all back through the holes. That back into its place. And I'm just going to do it off camera. But that has got it back in. Next, just put all the bolts, all the little nuts back on the top. I've got new nuts here. Nice shiny new nuts. I'm going to get them on now. So I've got all the screws, all the bolts back in. It's all looking good. Cushy, okay, nice and new. Last thing, get this bad boy back on, and then it's all good. We're all ready to go. Right, so that must go in there, that must go like that, and then that must go like that. Last bit, a little screw in there. Job in the town. And after sweating gallons, because it's the hottest day of the year, it's all done. Now I've just got to get rid of these little bolts, get rid of all of those, and show you the finished product. Fitted, nice. It's a lot better than this junk one with all the clips broken that was really poorly painted and scuffed. Yeah, broken clips all over the shop. Fixed. Another helpful tip from the man with a plan.